Here we will present our presentation to you. This presentation can help you in knowing how to make an order. Please invite us to introduce ourselves. My name is Yunita Rismayani as the first moderator and speaker. Then there is Fatima Zahra as the second speaker and Latifa Aizatul Ulia as the third speaker. Okay, I don't want to talk too much here. Let's just start the presentation. So the topic that we'll discuss, namely, the first is understanding of how to make to order. The second is the appropriate format for a purchase order. The third is common process in the making order dialogue. And the last is conclusion from the topic discussed. For the first topic, namely understanding of how to make to order, I will tell by myself. The first thing we discuss in the making order activity. So, we need to know that main task of a seller in making order is to produce goods that customer need, so that the goods will be adjusted when the customer wants to buy them. From here, an activity called making order will appear. Then, how does a purchase order work? The order of how it works, namely, the buyer decides to order the product from the seller. After that, the buyer drafts a purchase order and sends it to the seller for detail and approval. And then, the seller will analyze the purchase and confirm if anything is requested. After that is purchase order approval, which then happened produce our service fulfillment, and the last one is invoice paid. Now, that's a brief explanation about the introduction of the making order material. Then for the second topic, which is about appropriate format for a purchase order, it will be explained by Mrs. Zahra. Mrs. Zahra, time is yours.
Hi, introduce my name is Fatima Zahra. Here I will explain about format. When we buy something, this is on order format. The appropriate format for purchase order consists of header, vendor information, shipping, details of order, and summarize. Sales is pretty job, but there are still many mistakes made in the job. Here are the steps on how become a professional sales conversation. First one is greeting, small talk, spin, presentation, and closing. Well, that's all I can say. I return it to the moderator.
Thanks to Mr. Zahra. Furthermore, for the third topic about common process in the making order dialogue, which will be explained by Mrs. Latifa. Mrs. Latifa, time is yours.
Hi, my name is Latifa Aizatul Ulia. Here I will explain about common phrase. These are examples of common phrases on leaving message. First example, on answering the phone, we can see a formal example from "Hello Dr. Jack, how may I help you?" and informal examples from "Hey, what's up?" Next example from introducing, we can see a formal example from "Hello Masha, this is Juan calling from big company," and informal examples from "Hey Maria, it's Lina calling." Next example from asking to speak with someone, we can see a formal example from "May I speak to Mr. Hamid in the administration department please?" and informal examples from "Could you please put Sari on?" Next example from connecting someone, we can see a formal example from "Hold the line please, I put you through in the moment," and informal example from "Wait a minute, I'll get him." Next example from taking a message, we can see a formal example from "I apologize, but Lina not here at the moment, can I take a message?" and informal example from "No, that's okay, I call him later." Next example from leaving a message, we can see a formal example from "Would you mind giving her a message?" or informal example from "Can I leave the message?" Next example from confirming a message, we can see a formal example from "Let me repeat that just to make sure, it's Laura Yellow at 111-2233." An informal example from okay, got it, I'll get him. Next example from ending conversation, we can see a formal example from thanks for calling, bye for now, and informal example from I have to let you go now, bye. Well, that's all I can say. I will return the moderator.
Thank you, Mrs. Latifa. For the last one, namely the conclusion of the material that we have discussed, which will be read by myself. So, the conclusion for this material is serving customer in making order. You must turn off what customer need and according to customer desires. There is an order in making order, namely the buyer order the good, the buyer provides detail to the seller analyzes the buyer's order, meets the buyer need and payment. And in making order, a professional sales response will start with a greetings, mark, talk, spin, presentation, and closing. Then, we will show a video clip of a sample making order activity. Please watch it for a moment.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Zara from the manager of Queen Company.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Zara. My name is Yunita Risma, part of the Kinesis Sales. Can I help you?
Okay, Yunita, here I have a problem with the air conditioner in my office room, which is broken, and I want to buy a new one.
Okay, Mrs. Zahra, beforehand, I want to know what kind of the specification you want.
Okay, for question like that, I will be assisted by maintenance department in my office.
Okay, Mrs. Zahra, I'm waiting.
Hello, Mrs. Ipe. Good afternoon.
Hello, Mrs. Zahra. Good afternoon. Is there anything I can help?
So I need your help to specify the air conditioner we need for office. Can you help?
I can help, Mrs. Zahra. I would love to.
Well, I will connect you to the sales air conditioner that I have contacted. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ipe. I'm from the maintenance office of PT Queen Company.
Okay, Mr. Ipe, my name is Yunita from the marketing department. Let's go ahead. What the specifications are needed to your office?
Okay, because this is only for a small room and not too many people, I want air conditioning which only has about 1 PK but has additional features.
Okay, if may I know the size of the room, about how much it is it?
For a room size of about 18 square meters.
Okay, for room 18 we have two choices, namely 3/4 PK uses 600 until 800 watts and 1 PK uses 750 until 950 watts. Then for additional feature of this AC, namely using environmentally friendly technology, plasma cluster technology to adjust the number of people, automatic air purifier feature. So, which one do you choose?
Okay, I still choose 1 PK.
Well, we also have several choices of types of AC, namely AC super dark, AC does not stand out, and low needs. AC ducting, commonly used AC, the cable are not visible and are placed in the pipe. AC cassette, placed on the ceiling of the room and has a large capacity. AC VRF or AC VRV, the advantage of using VRF AC is that maintenance is easier and also more affordable. Besides that, VRV AC is also more space efficient compared to split AC or ordinary conventional AC.
Okay, then I choose the air conditioner split duct type to make it look neat.
Okay, Mr. Ipe.
For further confirmation, I return it to the manager.
Okay, is it clear for the type of air conditioner I need?
Okay, Mrs. Zahra, is clear. I confirm again your order. Namely, the type of AC which has a capacity 1 PK of 750 until 950 watts electric usage. And the type of AC split duct is that doesn't stand out, so that is look neat for the additional feature of this air conditioner, namely using environmentally friendly technology, Plasma cluster technology to adjust the number of people, automatic air purifier feature.
Okay, very good. I hope we can have a meeting as soon as possible so we can talk about installing the air conditioner.
Okay, Mrs. Zahra, as soon as possible, I will notify you via email.
Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon, Mrs. Zahra. Well, that's all we can say in the explanation of the making order material. We apologize for more and less for the amount of. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.